Indian Motorcycle has announced its factory race teams for the 2024 season, featuring champions Tyler O'Hara and Jared Mees, along with the addition of three-time Australian Superbike champion Troy Herfoss. The teams will compete in King of the Baggers, KOTB, Super Hooligan, SHNC, and American Flat Track (AFT) events. Tyler O'Hara, the reigning KOTB champion, will be riding the S&S Indian Challenger in the KOTB class for the 5th year, aiming for another championship after winning in 2022. He will also pilot the S&S Indian FTR in the SHNC class for the 2nd consecutive year. Joining O'Hara in the S&S factory race team is Troy Herfoss, a prominent Australian road racer with multiple championship titles. Herfoss will compete in both KOTB and SHNC classes, expressing his excitement to represent Indian Motorcycle. In American Flat Track, reigning Super Twins champion Jared Mees is set to ride the Indian FTR 750 for an 8th consecutive year. Mees, with his experienced team, is eyeing a record-setting 10th AFT championship in 2024. Indian Motorcycle Racing has committed over $450,000 in combined privateer contingency for KOTB, SHNC, and AFT, demonstrating their support for privateer racers. The privateer contingency includes significant cash rewards and motorcycles for the championship winners and top finishers in each category. The 2024 season kicks off on March 7th at the Daytona International Speedway for KOTB, SHNC, and AFT events. The Indian Motorcycle Racing teams are sponsored by S&S, Progressive Insurance, and Mission Foods, with additional support from various partners in the motorsports industry. Indian Motorcycle Racing continues to be a prominent force in the racing world, with a strong lineup of talented riders and a commitment to supporting both factory and privateer efforts across different racing disciplines.